Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Avenue Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 D22 Nissan Navara STR dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4755. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard, flared type, appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have no damage, scoop type. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left power chrome mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents and a few light wobbles through the centre. Left rear door has 1 small dent and light wobbles. Left hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right hand side step with all sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 3 small dents and light wobbles through the centre of the door, as does the right front door. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central Loctite. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.